mga biglaang beach. Lahat kami naka-pants. Pero ako, naka-panty na lang. Hindi naman nila alam. Naku, nag-swimming na. Nag-swimming. Nugget likes the water. Labas dyan. Baka itong pinuntan natin. Oh, look. See, there are dogs. I told you. Wow! Ganda dito. Ayan, sakto.
Yeah, we're at the beach park. Beach dog.
Are you happy? We're here. Sleepy pa yata itong dalawa eh. We're here! Okay, we're now here at Tassels Cove. Dog-friendly beach to here in Mornington Peninsula. And hindi kami ready. So wala kaming tent, wala kaming anything. Mga naka-pants kaming lahat. Pero meron kaming dalang beach toys. And eto, nag-enjoy ang mga kids ngayon and dogs.
No more monster truck.
Hey, there's a monster truck.
No more monster truck.
Ah, there it is.
Ang ganda ah. Tada! Dito kami sa gitna. Para meron kaming shade.
I'll do it.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, init. Daming dogs. Dog-friendly beach to. Wala kayong towel na baon. Shh! Cookie nugget! No. Stay here. Ah! Grabe! dami nilang nakitang friends. Hi! Hi, friend! Halika, you wanna go to the water? Oh, gusto na ng water! Do you like the water? Patay kayo dyan. Naku! Nag-swimming na! Nag-swimming! Cookie, what are you doing? Ano ginagawa ni Cookie? Halika na, come. Ba. Halika na! Nag-swimming siya, Big. Gano'n siya talaga sa tubig.
Hey, don't talk to me. Hey. Hindi na kayo sila, diba?
Tuwang-tuwa sila makakita ng ibang dogs. Gusto nila rin mag-swimming.
Sila Tasa.
Oo.
Off-leash na.
Oo nga eh. Actually, pero hindi pa sila ready. Hindi pa sila ready mag-off-leash.
Ready na sila.
Pero friendly rin sila sa ibang dogs.
Damihan siguro namin pumunta ng dog park.
Mga dog park. First beach nila. Cookie and Nugget. Iwalk niya sarili niya.
Lilim, welcome to the Lilim Vlog.
Okay, dito na kami sa Lilim ulit.
Welcome to our Lilim Vlog.
Basang-basa yung dogs. Mga biglaang beach. Lahat kami naka-pants. Pero ako, naka-panty na lang. Hindi naman nila alam. Oo nga, kita-kita pala tayo dito. So yung may-ari nito, no, kitang-kita pala ako nag-vlog. May camera. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Puro kasan sa mukha. Cookie. Nugget. Si Nugget happy. They're just playing.
Having a good time.
Oh, look. Sabi, look at the tugo. So big.
Look, Dad.
Yes.
It's so big.
Yes, it's so big.
And also so fluffy.
Fluffy, yeah.
Your dogs are fluffy too, they're just wet. Sabi mo na sa'yo to the doggies.
Come on, let's go. Are you holding Nugget?
I'm holding that too.
Okay.
Oh! That's the oxygen. Little dog.
Pwede ba napahanan ng picture daw sa video?
Oo.
Sugat na dinitin.
Oo. May dala naman tayo.
Nugget!
Hi! Ah,
See? May face kami.
Cookie Nugget! May ibang aso. Sarap ng tubig! Whee! Hey, don't go to me. Woohoo! Nugget likes the water.
Oh, 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 oh.
Nangaamoy. Uy.
Hi, Sabi.
Hi, Sebi. Halika na, magliligpit na ako ha.